So what do you got here, Andy? Some Ryobi tools.
Ryobi One Plus system. This is their impact hammer.
How they working out for you?
They're excellent. I've had these two for about a year, and I just added this one. But it's the One Plus system, so they're all interchangeable. When I bought these two, it came with two batteries. This one you can see the batteries on there. Really easy to.
So the batteries are interchangeable between any of them?
Any of them on the One Plus system. These are 18-volt batteries.
So obviously 18-volt tools.
Right.
What do you use that impact hammer for?
Most of the time I just use it for a screwdriver, but if I have like a screw that's really stuck in there, it's good for trying to get them out without stripping them.
All right, so you got different gears on this?
Yeah, this one's 2-speed. Oops, that's already 2-speed. I use it as a screwdriver and then put it on 2. Use it as a drill, lock it in place.
Okay.
I was just using drill bits to drill through railroad ties in my garden, and I had no problem getting through them.
Wow.
It was nice. So it's got a spare bit in the front here, and it's got a little magnet there.
Oh, look at that.
Put a nail or something there.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
Yeah.
And it comes with a charger.
Came with the charger and 2 batteries when I bought the set.